2017 Tax Cut and Jobs Act. It's basically established
Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss.
you would have a tax hike
Where you going?
on households.
Back here. Come back here. Give me a kiss.
Were made permanent
Thank you.
household
Thank you.
So if they don't extend them, you're going to get a tax hike. But if they do extend them, it's just the same tax as we're in today. Now, President Trump, in the campaign, talked about further tax cuts.
Mm-hmm.
No tax on tips, no tax on Social Security, no tax on overtime. That would
Thank you. It's very nice. Thank you.
But let's assume it's somewhere between $200 and $300 billion a year. So over a 10-year period, another $2 to $3 trillion worth of incremental debt for those tax cuts. At a time we're already running a deficit equal to 7%.
Can you just make yourself all pretty? Can you make yourself all pretty?
If you're a hammer, everything looks like an
Are you a pretty boy?
restructuring guy.
Are you a pretty boy?
Everything looks like a need for a debt restructuring.
Are you a pretty boy?
Today, our
Pretty boy.
federal debt to GDP ratio is basically 1-to-1. We're running a 7% of GDP deficit this year. Okay, which means debt is increasing by 7% a year, whereas the economy has only been growing at 2 to 3% a year. So we're basically becoming more indebted over time because the growth of the economy is not outpacing the growth of the debt. So there's a massive need for what we call in the trade fiscal consolidation. We need to get our house in order and create revenues closer to spending.
Well, they're hoping to get those revenues with tariffs, I guess. In terms of the cuts, Trump has this 3-3-3 plan. It's unrealistic to get the deficit from 7% down to 3% if you're only able to find like $58.26 in waste and fraud, right? Because they're not attacking Medicare and Medicaid and military spending. They're trying to fire people at USA.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness. So many kisses. Can I kiss you? Hmm?
He's talking about a 4-year trajectory.
Slip me a little tongue.
From 7% of GDP to 3% of GDP.
All right, Luz.
Reducing the growth rate of the economy to 3%, not in the sort of low 2s, high 1s.
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
And try to moderate inflation
Chirp, 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 chirp.
by having more energy production. With oil in the 60s, you're not going to get more energy production here in the United States. It's just not return on capital isn't there for that. So
Chirp, 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 chirp.
decide whether or not that's the best way to deal with inflation. How do you boost the growth rate? Well, the theory of
Thank
the
you.
administration
Thank you.
is that deregulation
Thank you.
is going to free up spirits in the business community. That the tariff wall
Chirp, 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 chirp.
create a surge in domestic investment
Chirp, 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 chirp.
to produce, because behind those tariff walls you can be
Chirp, 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 chirp.
more competitive
You want a
against
kiss?
foreign competition.
You want a kiss?
The problem with all
Can I
of
kiss
that
you?
is it
Thank
takes
you.
a lot of time.
Thank you.
Deregulation is going to take a lot
Thank
of
you.
time. So rules are currently
Thank you.
on the books that they want to get rid of.
Mhm.
The agencies actually just can't say done by executive order.
You're quite the
They have to
kissy
go
tonight.
through a rulemaking process.
Mm.
And notice and hearing. They have to
Mm.
take
Whoop.